H.
Well, he has a Harley, yeah, he ended up.
Don't you fall?
He's putting the pillow up so it doesn't bump his head.
Hudson?
And so.
He knows to put the pillow there so it doesn't bump his head. Did you see the pillowcase?
Do it.
She was over there doing let her sit down.
Hudson, you gotta sit down, buddy.
Sit down.
Sit down. There's the pillow now.
Booby boy.
So he's got that, and
Elmo, is he your best guy?
so when he wants to ride, he can ride.
Sit down,
When he
baby.
wants to
Yeah.
drive, he can drive.
Really?
It's a matter of time as to what he's going to do. And as I say,
Let's move this one, and then you can see
If
it better.
there's-
We'll put it down here, and you can see it.
there's a
You
change
don't have
in
to
the
stand
White
up that way.
House.
There you go.
Thanks, Mommy.
That could definitely change things.
Yeah.
What is that?
There's a weak military doesn't.
Hudson,
What's the blue one?
you know my name.
On
I'm
the
Grandma.
car.
on the far
Can
right.
you say
is the
Grandma?
Oh, that's Cookie.
Yeah.
Oh, the car? Sally. He calls it Sally.
It's not really Sally.
It's not really Sally. It looks
Oh,
like,
that's the
Cars,
French
too.
one, right?
it looks
Yeah.
like the girl car.
Uh-oh.
Broke it.
Did it break? Did it
I
break?
think he might be done eating. He might-
Yeah.
I don't know if
Can we
it's
fix it? Don't fall.
Good.
Can we fix it?
You gonna fix it, baby?
You want corn?